Every year, race car drivers go through withdrawals during the off season. They find themselves pretending, practicing, sitting in the car, dreaming of going back out on track. They sit there and check every part, making sure that it's tight, usually more than once, knowing the car is ready at a moment's notice. They'll become distant, depressed, and lonely, separating themselves from the world while they long for the one thing they enjoy doing on their weekends. Well, for just 10 cents a day, you too can help a race car driver survive the cold, long off season. Luckily for this guy, his race season begins now.
So those guys will be looking to clean it up on their next run. I will move ladies next with Bernadette running this year. There will be a
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to race season. It feels so good to be back right now. We're just about to get started today, get our first run going. It's been a nice long off season, but I am ready to get back to racing. All right, got that first run out of the way. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of grip out there. The back end was definitely moving around, but it looks like it was pretty quick looking at the times from everyone else who's run already. So now we're gonna wait and make our second run here shortly.
That's me top time of 36.6. 36.6 we got.
All right, run 2 in the books. I hit a cone at the last gate when the back end came around a little bit on me. Not a big deal though. We still got one more scored run to clean this thing up. I'm still doing really well overall in the raw times. So we'll see where we finish up on this last run. All right, 3rd run in the books. We are finishing 5th in Pro Packs class. Currently in the overall standings for raw times, I'm 3rd. It's pretty impressive for me, but a lot of it comes down to the weather. It is wet and greasy, which is the all-wheel drive's kingdom. It's where we reign supreme. Come back to dry events, and I don't think I'm gonna be this far up the running order, but this is good because it looks like I haven't lost a lot of the talent that I gained from last year. I was able to carry it over this year, which is an improvement from how I started last season. I'm super excited and glad that the season has finally kicked off, and I'm ready to put in a bunch of work and try to see how good I can make this car this year. Now it's time for the fun runs. I'm gonna kick the camera off, have a good time, and just enjoy the rest of this event. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.